Awards on your CV are more than just recognition. They validate your skills and achievements. They serve as tangible proof of your abilities, showcasing your talent and the respect you've earned from peers. Including awards helps set you apart from others with similar experience. They highlight your unique strengths, giving potential employers a clearer picture of your capabilities and recognition of your expertise. When it comes to listing awards in your CV, choose awards that align with the role you're applying for. Use a clean, organized format in reverse chronological order to make your CV easy to read. Include a brief explanation for lesser-known awards. This helps potential employers understand their significance and relevance to your career path. Different industries value different types of awards. Highlight industry-specific awards for maximum impact and include academic awards in the education section if they're relevant. Tailor your awards to reflect the skills and achievements most valued in your field. This strategic approach enhances what you have highlighted in your professional profile. Avoid listing every award. Be selective. Don't repeat awards across multiple sections, and add context where applicable. By carefully curating your awards, you'll present a compelling narrative of your professional journey. Now, update your CV with CV Maker to reflect these insights and stand out in your job search. Good luck!